So join me on a little walking tour of the Villa Barra Algarb Hotel. I know I've probably made a right mess of pronouncing that. I don't know how to pronounce it, but here we go. Now, I've actually started this review from the front, so this intro is kind of like edited in. But just wanted to show you what it looked like from the outside. At the front, we are in Playa del Bossa, and we're in July, and it's steaming hot. So come and join me on a walking tour. So let's do a little walking tour and check the place out. So the beach is right in front of us and we have a lovely pool. So let's go check out this pool. We've got a live DJ here, so the sound might cut at any time. So it's located right on the beach. Plenty of sun loungers, they look decent quality. Plenty of brollies, nice and cool. And we've got brollies outside as well. Bar over there in the corner. Over there, you can sit down and there's a snack place over there. So I'll just walk you through to where the snack place is. The restaurant is on, we'd say in England, the first floor. Time of filming, we are in 24th of July. It's lovely and warm here, absolutely boiling, and it's almost peak season, super peak season for the kids finishing school. So there you go. All inclusive type place, everyone's got the wristbands on, getting the drinks, the snacks. And you're also right next to the airport here, so you're going to get a lot of planes flying over, which are crazy. Let's have a little walk around. Let's take you upstairs, just to give you an overview. It's only quite a small pool, this place, to be honest. It's not the largest pool in the world for the amount of guests that they've got. I mean, plenty, but not a massive amount. There you go. Nice overview. And you've got some gardens there as well. And we are opposite Burger King. So you're fed up with the all-inclusive, you can go and get yourself a burger. This is quite a sun trap. Got the indoor stage for the evening. Let's take you through. There we go. We've got the times for your food here. No wet clothing. And appropriate attire is required. Okay, let's walk you through. Whew. Tell you what, I'm not used to this heat. I mean, I've just come back from nearly 2.5 months in Bali, but this is a different kind of heat. It is hot, hot. Radio station, excellent. Loads of little chill out places just to sit down. It is lovely and cool in here, I must admit, I do like it. So I've come back to front on this review because I was on the beach. I was just chilling out, having a nice cool drink on the beach because the breeze coming off the sea at the moment is absolutely fabulous. So I'm walking over here just to show you there's a pool table just over there, and we've got loads of vending machines here as well. So if you do get thirsty, cracking idea actually. Middle of the night, you can't be bothered going out. Want some ice cold drinks, happy days. Okay, that pretty much covers this place, I think. We'll just walk you past reception now. Tour desk.
Okay. This is not like yesterday.
I'll just show you the big garden at the front. No one seems to be using it. But, oh, one person. Got the lilo out on the towel. Chilling out under the shade, which is a cracking idea. You can just see that breeze off that tree, which is lovely. Okay. I think that pretty much covers this place. If you've stayed here and you've got any recommendations, please leave a comment. If you know any good bars around here you could recommend, any restaurants, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of stuff. Like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.